video. I'm gonna be decorating my kitchen for fall. I'm so excited to have it all decorated. If you guys missed my fall coffee bar video, I will link it in the description box if you guys want to go check that one out as well. But let's go ahead and get started. I made this swag a couple of years ago and I just put it away in my totes at the end of the season, and you guys, it looks beautiful every year. That's why I have not taken it apart, because I think it looks so nice. I just like using it in different areas of my home. I honestly have not bought any florals this year, but I do need some for my entrance, so I am going to see if I can find some that I like. My favorite are the white ones that I have right here on the side. Pampas grass is just my favorite. I think it looks so beautiful and elegant. So I'm going to try to find some new picks this year. Look how beautiful it looks. I feel like it adds so much color and so much to look at here in my kitchen. I'm really enjoying having the garland up. I'm really excited that I put it up this year. I did this last year for Christmas and I really liked it. It just makes my kitchen look so much nicer. I'm really happy with how everything is looking. All of the decor that I have here up above my cabinets, I've been collecting for several years already, and I finally am at the point where I love all of my fall decor. Little by little, I have gotten rid of things that I just wasn't using. I think I just have like maybe 1.5 totes of things I'm just holding on to. For example, do you guys remember the buffalo check pumpkins from Hobby Lobby? I don't think they brought them out this year, but I could be wrong. But I still have those. I just can't get rid of them, but I take them out of my totes every year, and every year I put them back. I don't know what it is about them. I really like them. I'm hoping to use them maybe one year, but for now I am just storing them. But I'm finally at the point where everything I have I really like. I still have a lot of totes though, and I keep on buying, you guys. It's just so hard. I love fall decor, especially dishes. I love like holiday dishes. You can probably see all of the things I have here in the kitchen, but I really enjoy collecting things and displaying them, not just for cooking, but also for decor. I think it looks so beautiful. I purchased this wooden box when I was thrifting at the DI, and I brought it home thinking that I could fit like several pies in here. It doesn't fit a full size pie, but I do have a small pie from the DI that I found several years ago, and you guys, it still smells like cinnamon. I'm always surprised when I take the pie out of my totes because it smells so nice several years later from when I found it. And who knows how many years that pie was in someone else's home as well. I think it is so beautiful. It actually looks like a pie. You guys will see it right now. Michael's brought out a pie candle this year, and you guys, I went to Michael's to several of them and could not find it. I checked online and I don't remember if it was sold out or they just would not deliver it, one of the two. But I was so sad because I thought I could put that pie and the little pie that I have in my little wooden box here, but I had no luck. I still think it looks really cute. I also put my Kohl's mugs in here. One thing I have been trying to collect are these metal seasoning containers. I have a few of them already, but you guys, I went to an estate sale this year, and at that estate sale in the garage, they had maybe like 75 to 100 of them, and I don't know why I only brought like maybe 6 or 7 and I left the rest. Big regret because I have not been able to find them since. Every time I find them at the antique store, they want like $3 to $5 for each one, and that day I think I got like 6 of them, or I can't remember exactly how many, but I want to say 6 for like $2 which was so cheap. I regret not buying all of them that day, but you guys know how it is. You find so many things at the estate sales that you want to bring home, and then you're like trying to decide what to bring home because you already have too many things. decorating the kitchen and I think it looks so beautiful. I'm so excited to show you guys how clean it looks. That's my favorite part about decorating, is how nice it looks like right after, that beautiful feeling that you get because it looks so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you guys to see. Let me show you guys around.